Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. So today we are going to learn how to pass command line arguments to bash scripting. Okay, so let's have a look on that. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please hit like to it. Okay, so here you can see that here we have passed username, age, and the full name. So here we are going to print by the index 1, index 2, index 3. So we are going to take three parameters and we are going to print which index it is located, right? So here we go with that part, right? So I'm going to here you can see that. So you can see that on the first argument, that is the username, second age, third it is full name, right? So this is by the help of the indexing we are fetching the data of the three indexings. You can also print here echo, right? And the file name, you can check out the file name also, file name. Okay, here I'm going to print it out like zero index, right? And let's put a semicolon over here, save it, let's run it. Here you can see that the file name is test.sh. So it is not zero index, one, two, three. So this is how you can print it on which index it is, and you can store the variable and bypass to the another arguments, right? So this is how you can do that part. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.